Hey guys, welcome back. So if you remember from the introductory video of recursion, we said that any problem that can be solved using recursion can also be solved using iteration. Now in this video, let's see how is recursion compared with an iteration. So here we have taken three important parameters to compare recursion with iteration. The first is the space efficiency. Now when it comes to space efficiency, iteration always has an upper hand compared to recursion. Now why is that? So the reason is very simple. In the previous videos, we saw how is recursion managed by system internally. So we have a stack where we push all the recursive calls, and depending on the need, we again pop out all those recursive calls. But when it comes to iteration, we don't need any stack. All that we do is we use a simple loop. So the space that was required by stack is not necessary in case of iteration. Hence, iteration is better in terms of space efficiency. Now the second point is time efficiency, that is the execution efficiency. So in case of recursion, again we have some problems compared to an iteration. Now in the case of an iteration, all that we use is a loop. Hence it is more time efficient compared to recursion. Now what is the problem with recursion? The problem is again the same. That is, system uses internally some stack memory. So it does some push operation, some pop operation, and some other miscellaneous pointer work. So to do all these operations, it requires some time, which can very easily be avoided in case of an iteration. Hence, once again, iteration wins over recursion. Now the last point is ease of code. So in this case, recursion has an upper hand compared to an iteration. Now whenever we encounter a problem which can be solved by breaking it down into a similar subproblems, in those kind of cases, recursion is a perfect match. Yes, of course, we can solve those problems using iteration as well, but recursion is a better approach in that case. Fine. So I hope you have understood the difference between recursion and iteration and which one to be used in which cases. So that is all for this video. In the next video, let's talk about when to use recursion and when to avoid a recursion. So let's talk in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.